What's good, y'all? Boy just got out of work. Let's see what I look like.
From the sky. Since we was real niggas, but you goofy, we know you a ride. I ain't tryna
Figured I'd install something today. Kind of cold out, but I got the blow dryer. Said I was gonna put these on. Not only that, I got thick whip badges I'm gonna put on. Also, I'm gonna change out the reflectors. So I don't really know if it's gonna be more than one video, but I might put it all together in one video. I'm not too sure, but we're just gonna see when it comes out. But I definitely want to switch these out because I feel like they'll just look way better. But your boy just got home from work and we gonna work. I'm not even gonna do nothing. I'm gonna get straight to it. I ain't even eat since I got home, but video is more important. So, having camera difficulties. I don't know what's going on, but color match, side reflectors are on. So, I ended up installing these. So, they look pretty good. And like I was saying, I got the thick whip badges on. Color match side markers, got rid of the orange. Both sides. Man, that thing look good. So quick little install baby.